Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna demonstrate how to create a phishing link easily. Actually, I'm gonna use my Debian Linux distribution, and here I will install a tools from GitHub which is Gphisher. Okay, let me go there. This is the tool which is Gphisher, and there are a lot of template of there are a lot of phishing template here. Okay, let me go ahead. First I'm going to clone the repository from the GitHub. So here git clone, it's cloning and it's done. Let's go to the readme section. So I have already done this. Now I'm gonna change directory to Gphisher, and there you go. I'm here on Gphisher, and now I'm gonna start the script of Gphisher bash script. Okay, mm, go. Okay, it's installing some packages and it's checking the update and installing Cloudflare and local exposes. Okay, here you go. Gphisher. This is it's showing us almost 33 template. So if we want, we can create any type of template of social media. Look, we can create Facebook, Instagram, Microsoft, PayPal, Twitter, and TikTok, Discord, and other things. So today we are gonna create a template of Reddit, Spotify, Proton, which is Yandex, GitHub, Stick. Okay, today we are going to create a PayPal template, PayPal phishing template actually. So I'm gonna type 6, and it's asking me to uh, create the link on localhost and Cloudflare, local expose. The first one is localhost. It only work in the same environment, not the outside of the network. But Cloudflare and local expose, those both will work outside the internet, outside your local machine. So I'm gonna type Cloudflare, which is number 2. Okay, it's asking me to do you want a custom port? No, I'm gonna say no. Okay, it start his work, and it's launching Cloudflare. Okay, do you want to change MySQL? No, not this time. Provided me a link. I'm gonna copy this link, and I'm gonna go to my browser. I'm gonna paste it, and it's appearing a actual PayPal page. As you can see, it's asking me for email and password. Let's type email, and I'm gonna type here my password. and which answer is okay. I filled up my PayPal credential. Now I'm gonna click login. Once I click on login, then in the hacker machine you can see the PayPal account email and the PayPal password. In this way, we can create a lot of social media phishing template, and it's quite easy. So if a hacker wants, they can create, and a script kiddie want, they can create any type of social media template of phishing. So be aware, don't get hacked, because if you make a mistake, then your all credentials or files and privacy will be exposed. So stay alert and keep safe. Thank you very much.